James Crumbley in court today as a judge decides who can and cannot testify in his upcoming involuntary manslaughter trial. 5 takeaways. Number 1, in court today, the defense argued that 2 students who were shot should not be allowed to testify, that it's not relevant to James's charges, and it will inflame emotions on the jury. The judge said she needs to take the arguments into consideration and hasn't ruled on that yet. Number 2, the judge did rule that the prosecution can call the man who previously owned the gun that was used in the shooting. He sold it back to the gun shop, and that's when James Crumbley then purchased it 4 days before the shooting. Number 3, we heard James' voice today as he answered procedural questions from the judge about his representation and attorney-client privilege. Number 4, you might have noticed that James Crumbley wears headphones in court. That's so he can hear the judge and attorneys better. And number 5, next week, February 28th, the judge will take up the questions if the shooter's journal should be admitted into evidence and the text messages between the shooter and his friend about his mental health. Both of those things were admitted in Jennifer's trial.